Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can log in into Yahoo Mail. For that, you can open any web browser. For now, I'm opening Chrome browser. Here on the top, you can see the search bar. Just type yahoo.com. Once you type yahoo.com, you need to press enter in the keyboard. Then here on the interface, you can see the sign in option here on the top right. Just click in sign in. Then you will be guided to this page. Here you will need to enter your username, email or mobile number which you have previously set during creating your Yahoo Mail account. Then after you enter your username, you just need to click on next. If you forgot your username, then you can click on the forget username. Then you can reset your username, email or mobile number. Then you can sign in into your Yahoo Mail. This was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.